So in this video we're going to show you how to fit these bright side trims to the door. It's a 5-piece kit, so each door gets one of these trims. Okay, so they're fitted on this side. I'll take you around the other side in a minute. And they're made from steel, and they've got a sort of bright silver finish to them. And they cover over this little flat edge that's normally just textured plastic. So it gives a nice little extra line onto the Discovery that we're working on at the moment. So we've done some mods to this one. We fitted the coloured arches to it the other day. We fitted the clear side repeaters, and we fitted some nice wheels on it. So we're going to show you. So there's the two on the one side, the bright finish trims. Now these are genuine Land Rover parts. And then on the back door here you can also see we fitted one of these trims on the back. Okay, so now if we come around to the other side, well, let's have a look what you get in the kit first of all. So in the kit there are 5 pieces. Okay, now they come with a series of these little plastic clips there that pop in. Now obviously you've got to drill the holes to pop them in. So in the kit we are going to supply an 8mm lip and spur drill bit here that we're going to use in the video today. We'll supply one of those with the kit, okay, for drilling. So you can see you've got the short pieces. If I zoom out of it, here we go. Yeah, the short pieces are the rear doors. The next 2 pieces up are the front doors, and the very long bit at the top of the picture there, that's the bit that goes along the rear door. Okay, so we're going to start with that. So if Tom, if you want to come and give me a hand. So you can see here, hopefully you can see that this is the normal door trim before fitting, and you'll notice you've got this sort of flat edge here. You've got a flat edge at the top, then this flat edge that's sort of at 45 degrees, and then the big edge at the bottom, and the trim just sits on here. So the first job is to get some masking tape, okay, and just put this on over the area you're gonna be working at. Okay, now there's a couple of ways of doing this. Now one thing you could do is you could get a crayon or a pencil, and you can actually mark on here. Let me go and get a crayon and see if I can show you. You can mark on that top edge. Okay, I can't find a crayon, but what I've got is I've got a pencil, as you can see, and if we just go along there, it will give us the edge in the plastic where it just bends over. Because what we need to do is drill a hole right in the middle of the 2 edges. Okay, so I'll do the same on the bottom edge. God, I feel like Tony Bennett on art program used to have. Right then, here we go. Then what we need to do is we need to, obviously you can see that width there is nominally about 18mm, so we need to draw, we need to mark some points in the middle of that. Now what you'll notice, right, if I grab a piece here, I grab one of these. Ooh, let me grab the right bit, Tom. Right. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to fit in to this area here, and you'll notice at the back you've got the slope here corresponding with this. Okay, so what we can do now, these bits here, these clips actually slide backwards and forwards, so just space them out nominally. Okay, now if you go too far to the end they'll pop out, so you don't want to mark any of them that far to the end. I suggest you get them just a little bit in like that. Okay, and then what you can do is you can mark here roughly, it doesn't matter because you can slide them to me, roughly where we're going to put them in this orientation. Okay, right, and now what we need to do is turn that line into a cross. So we need to just look at we'll do it in millimeters, we'll be all European, look, and I'm just gonna, that's normally 18, so I'm gonna mark that at 9. Yeah, the same there. Seems to be a fairly constant width. Did you find that when you did the other side, Tom?
Yes.
Okay. so we've marked there, so we should have some crosses along the way where we're gonna drill our hole. So then this is the drill we supply you with, okay, with the point. Now clearly, oh, my pencil's running away. Clearly what you need to do is to get the point, and before you start spinning, give the point a little push just so that it knows where it is and it's not gonna drift off. Okay. Again, get the point in. I think the drill will give you will be new. These have been in the workshop a while, and it should cut through a bit easier. Okay. Right then. Okay. So when you've done that, you can take the tape off. Okay. The tape was just there to protect it when the drill goes in. And also when you're marking it up, it makes it a lot easier. Okay. You could clean the edges of those a little bit with a Stanley knife if you want, but for the video, we'll be fine, okay? So just get these clips in one at a time, okay? And the next one, that's it. That one's found its way in. Those two should be ready. Okay, now you can move it fractionally backwards and forwards if it's a little bit out, so they're quite easy to do, and that's the finished job. So you just need to drill those holes for each part. Okay, so there's the front door masked up, we'll finish that, but it's exactly the same process on the rear and the sides. I'd say it'll probably take about half an hour, 30 minutes to do those on the whole car. Good luck with that.